Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you 5 beautiful free icon packs for Android. So without one more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the festival icon pack. So just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application name as festival icon pack. Just search this icon pack name. So on the first list you will see, just tap on it. So you can see here its preview or the screenshots. So you can see here it's a rounded square shape. So you can see here it's a very beautiful looking and modern looking icon packs, and a good thing is that it's a free icon pack, so you can definitely install it completely for free. So if you're interested using this icon pack, then you should definitely give it a try. On the second list we have the Castle icon pack. So once again just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for the icon pack name as Castle icon pack. Just search this icon pack. So on the first list you will see the Castle icons. Just tap on it. So you can see here this is also a free icon pack, and below you can see a preview or screenshots. So you can see here it's a borderless looking icon pack. So it's a tiny one, not the normal size one. So if you prepare a tiny icons, then you can definitely give it a try, and it also looks very beautiful. Just the size of the icons are in the minimize or the smaller in size. So if you prepare a small size icons, then you can definitely give this icon pack a try. On the third list we have the Afterglow icon pack. So once again just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for the icon pack name as Afterglow icon pack. Just search this icon pack, and on the first list you will see the icon pack. So you can see here this is also a free icon pack, and below you can see a preview. So you can see here, so this icon packs also looks very beautiful and modern. So if you prepare a borderless icon pack, then you can definitely give it a try, and the good thing is that it's also a free icon pack. On the fourth list we have the pineapple icon pack. So once again just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for the icon pack name pineapple icon pack. Just search this icon pack. So on the first list you will see, just tap on it. So this is also a free icon pack, and below you can see the preview or the screenshots of this icon pack. So this is also a borderless icon pack. So if you prepare a borderless icon pack, then definitely you can give this icon pack also a try. On the fifth list we have the abstract icon pack. So once again just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for the icon pack name as abstract icon pack. Just search this icon pack, and on the first list you will see the icon pack. Just tap on it. So this is also a free icon pack, and below you can see the preview or the screenshots. So you can see here, so it's a unique material looking icon pack. So you can rarely see such kind of icon packs in the Google Play Store. So if you prepare a unique factor style or the material style icon packs, then definitely you can give this icon pack a try, and the good thing is that it's a free icon pack. So these are the 5 beautiful free icon packs for Android that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.